Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST. The exterior color is white, and under the hood we have a 3-liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic high beams, rain-sensing wipers, and an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Michelin tires, as well as color-match handles and black mirror caps. This 2020 also comes with remote start, twin panel moonroof, and a premium tech package. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass with an embedded defroster. We also have a rear camera with reverse sensing system, hands-free foot activation liftgate, and a tow package. Moving to the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly options, such as our power windows, power mirror settings, power locks, as well as 3 adjustments for the seats. Moving in to the interior here, we have our leather seating with our adjustments located on the side. Over at our steering column, we do have our liftgate release, as well as our lighting options. We have a telescopic steering wheel with our cruise control and our sound located to the left, and our media and hands-free options to the right. Up above is our rear view mirror, our cabin lighting, as well as our adjustments for our beautiful twin panel moonroof. Looking forward, you can see that this pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST has 38,463 kilometers. Looking ahead at our center face, you can see that there are many options available, such as our audio, phone connectivity, navigation, and various apps. Just below that, we do have our dual climate control system, which offers air conditioning and heating to both passenger. We also have a heated steering wheel and our heated seat and cooled seat options. Our middle console offers us our dial gear shift, dual cup holders, as well as our drive mode and a wireless charging pad. At the rear, our passengers have access to a ton of door storage, power windows, as well as built-in visors. Moving into the cabin, we do have bucket seating that is heated, which offers a ton of room. We also have access to our back bench seating. If there are any more questions about this pre-owned 2020 Ford Explorer ST, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would also like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.